The build in today's video is designed specifically for video editing, balancing performance with cost efficiency. It features a powerful multi-core processor ideal for handling the demands of video rendering and effects processing. The system includes fast, high-capacity storage to manage large files swiftly, alongside ample, high-speed RAM to keep multiple applications running smoothly. A capable graphics card enhances video playback and provides hardware acceleration for video encoding. Cooling is prioritized with an effective CPU cooler and a case that supports good airflow for sustained performance during long editing sessions. A reliable, efficient power supply ensures stability and future upgrade potential. All components are chosen to work in harmony, providing a solid foundation for video editing tasks while staying around a $1,000 budget. I will link to all parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. The processor is going to be the Intel Core i7-12700K. This processor offers a great balance of performance and price for video editing. With 12 cores and 20 threads, it can handle multi-threaded tasks like video rendering efficiently. The Alder Lake architecture also provides excellent single-thread performance, which is beneficial for real-time editing and effects processing. The CPU cooler is going to be the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. This cooler is chosen for its excellent cooling performance relative to its cost. The 12700K can run hot under load, and this cooler ensures stable temperatures during long editing sessions without breaking the bank. It's also quiet, which is crucial for a comfortable working environment. Next, as a motherboard, we have the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. This motherboard supports the latest LGA 1700 socket, DDR5 memory, and PCIe 4.0. all of which are beneficial for future-proofing and performance in video editing. It also includes Wi-Fi 6E, which is handy for transferring large files over the network. The B760 chipset offers good value with features like multiple M.2 slots for fast storage. The memory in this build is Team Group T-Create Expert 32GB of DDR5 6000MHz speed RAM. Video editing benefits significantly from fast and ample RAM. 32GB at DDR5 6000 speeds ensures that your system can handle large video files and multiple applications open simultaneously without slowing down. DDR5 also offers better power efficiency and bandwidth for future upgrades. For storage, we have selected the crucial P3 Plus 2TB NVMe SSD. High-speed storage is critical for video editing, where loading times for large 4K files can be substantial. This 2TB NVMe SSD provides fast read and write speeds, reducing wait times and ensuring smooth playback and editing. It also offers ample space for your video projects. The graphics card in this build is going to be the MSI GeForce RTX 4060. The RTX 4060 provides hardware encoding and decoding capabilities with NVENC and NVDC, which are crucial for video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro. It also includes ray tracing and DLSS for future-proofing, although these are more beneficial in gaming. At this price point, it offers a good balance of performance and cost for video work. The case is going to be an NZXT H5 Flow. This case is chosen for its airflow design, which is essential for maintaining cool component temperatures, especially important when the system is under heavy load for video rendering. It's also easy to build in, has good cable management, and provides enough space for future upgrades. And the power supply is going to be the Corsair RM850E. An 850 watt power supply with an 80 plus gold efficiency ensures that the system has enough headroom for overclocking or future GPU upgrades. It's fully modular, which aids in clean builds and improved airflow inside the case. This power supply also supports modern standards like ATX 3.0 for compatibility with newer components. This PC build strikes an excellent balance between performance, cost, and future-proofing for video editing. With components focused on speed, capacity, and stability, it's well equipped to handle demanding video projects while staying around a $1,000 budget. I will link to all parts mentioned in the video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that the prices will stay the same. And as always, thanks for watching.